anything. Nothing comes out of it. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I got my hands on the new Fenty Beauty stuff, and this is the only one in stock. This one is in Who Needs Clothes, the BodyLava, and also I got this Fenty Beauty body buffer thing. What is it? I got the FairyBomb. Okay, so I put it on earlier and it's super sticky. So I put some, say, here, and I'm gonna put some on here. And honestly, I absolutely love this. You can see how radiant, glossy, and shimmery, and just how wet it kind of looks. Look, if I do that, you can really see it, right? And it smells like, oh, I can't explain. Okay, it kind of smells like cocoa butter, but not cocoa butter. It's more muted cocoa butter, vanilla-y cocoa butter. I don't know, but it smells delicious. Anyway, so I absolutely love this. I tried to wipe it off. It had this kind of like oil film over it, so I feel like this will be kind of waterproof. But when I did try to wash it off, the glitter went, but the oil stayed. So it may still give you that glistening, but it's super glistening. Look, you can see how wet this kind of looks. So this, I also got this one. And honestly, I don't get it. I'm pumping it so much and nothing's coming out. I'm so confused. See, I'm hitting myself with it. Nothing, guys. Nothing. Was I supposed to get something else with this? I'm so confused, honestly. Maybe you just need to... I've been pressing it so much and these things came out. So I feel like... Okay, so there's some sort of colour coming off of my finger. And... okay. So something is coming out, but honestly, it's too much effort. That is for me. Honestly, I don't like that one. But this BodyLava is amazing. It really is, you don't need any clothes with this because it feels really icky. But honestly, it's worth it if you look wet like this. So hands up for that one. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is a super quick video. I just wanted to show you guys because I absolutely so excited about it. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching.